Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Chrysler PT Cruiser and we're going to show you how to remove the grille if you need to replace it or you need to install one of those aftermarket grilles that they have on the market, the chrome grills. So now what you need to do right here, you have two screws on the right side that we need to remove. This one is with a 7mm socket and they're usually not very tight. You can even use the socket on a screwdriver if you need to. Also, you need to go on the left side of the vehicle, right here, driver's side, and there is another two same ones with 7mm socket that we need to remove. Okay, now the trick about it is you have to push down at first and then pull up on each side of it, down and up. You see, like right here, when you push down, this clip comes out of here and then you need to pull up because this clip, this guide is right there. And that's how you remove the grille on a Chrysler PT Cruiser. Please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.